The SIT today visited a number of places. We have done reconstruction in 5 places, starting from Molakyat up to Waisaudong parking lot. And this reconstruction has been based on the interrogations we've been conducting over the last few days. I have already told you that in the interrogations they have admitted to the offence, and we just had to actually replay or recast how they had done it. And we started off from the Molakyat parking lot where they had kept the scooties. Then we had moved on to a place about 3 to 4 kilometers from Waisaudong parking lot, whereby they had stopped to take photographs, and there was an attempt in that place, but it was not feasible because Raja started off his bike, and so they had to move on. And they had stopped about 200 meters away from the Waisaudong parking lot. There only photographs were taken, but attempt was not made in that point. We finally came to the Waisaudong parking lot where the scooties were kept. We ascertained where the scooties were kept. We had ascertained where Raja was standing. We had taken to replay the whole thing, we had taken one of our personnel from the Fire and Emergency Services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder, who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete which needs to be recovered. It is still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered. You have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete, which is not recovered and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF on the job, they've gone down and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained how Akash, the white shirt we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June, that was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offence has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We have recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it, and I think the reconstruction was very, very successful.
तो क्या हथियार रिकवर हुआ जिसको आप बोल रहे थे और क्या सोनम का फोन अभी तक मिला है?
See, we have in a statement, we have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a particular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today, if not then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that or using that weapon on the victim has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained.
What about the Sonam's phone? The third Sonam's phone from the neck.
What about the Sonam's phone?
As per the post-mortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. So the third one which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's in fact also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, postmortem examination was able to ascertain that gash out there. But the two head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
Sir, where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry?
Sonam ka phone mila sir?
See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
The ornaments that Raja was wearing, gold chain, the money, where?
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Nongbiat only. There was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Sir,
Taken by surprise.
Was he hit from behind? Was he taken by surprise?
क्या राजा ने बचने की कोशिश की थी?
He was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit because it used, I think, 2 hands it used for that hit.
सर, राजा ने अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कैसे कोशिश की थी? क्या हाथापाई हुई थी? और सोनम उस वक्त कहाँ पर मौजूद थी? सोनम ने भी क्या उसे मारने की कोशिश की थी या लाश को डंप करने में मदद की थी?
See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and
कितना दूरी पे होगा सर, कम से कम?
Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right, or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that, she ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the 3 of them. 2 of them held from the hands and 1 person held from the legs. And he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terrace. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down.
सर वो जो एंड पॉइंट है जहाँ पर वो ग्रिल लगी है, जिस पर एक स्टेयर है, वहीं पर मर्डर भी हुआ और वहीं से डाउन किया.
Yes, yes.
Sir, did he die because of the wound or because of the fall?
The postmortem says he died because of the sharp weapons.
Right. Sir, you mentioned that all the three were the ones who lifted the body. Who was the one who was riding the scooty and eyeing around here?
We actually in the beginning we had thought that somebody was actually moving around up and down, but actually this is actually you go this way and this way, and you go this way, it's a zigzag. So the zigzag is actually this one. It's not somebody going up and down.
Could you establish the motive of the crime through this crime scene reenactment?
See, out here is actually finding out its motive. Though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that is a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. That okay, the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle, and we will explore further.
सर सबसे सबसे बड़ा सवाल है, राज ने टिकट बुक किया था इंदौर से यहाँ आने के लिए, वो क्यों नहीं आया? पूछताछ में उसने क्या बताया है? अपने तीनों दोस्तों को भेजा, सोनम यहाँ पर आई, वो कांटेक्ट में रहा, राज क्यों नहीं आया?
See, Raj is an employee of Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he was always in touch with the family.
जो सीन रिक्रिएशन के समय सोनम ने क्या कबूल किया है कि वो इस घटना में शामिल है, उसने ये हत्या की है?
Very much.
कबूल की है आज?
Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in my statement, she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things.
क्या सर शिप्रा होम स्टे के पास में?
Yes.
Will you produce report tomorrow?
No, it's not.
Day after.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after.
Day after.
Did she hit Raja?
No.
सर बॉडी उठाने में सोनम ने भी मदद की थी?
No.
Sir, the Meghalaya police will seek the more times from the court, sir.
Like when they attacked Raj, were Vishal and Akash both holding? And Anand, how did he get, like, the last one?
Anand, Akash had given him.
Okay.
Akash had given Anand and we don't.
Sir,
expressed regret of all four of them. Did they explicitly
See,
remorse
when
when they brought
any
them?
criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions and all that. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say.
Can you,
sir,
can you,
committed the crime.
can you,
Right.
yeah, ma'am. How was,
What was her expression when he shared?
Because, I don't think so. She was actually just replying to what he did and he said and all that. She was not crying.
How did she know about this place? Why did they choose this place?
It was, according to them, it's by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along multiple places wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Longriat also, they wanted, but there's no place to dispose. So multiple places around, they looked. And when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty. And there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was the chance they took.
सर सोशल मीडिया पर तो वीडियो वायरल है जिस जो लास्ट वीडियो बताया जा रहा है जिसमें सोनम भी दिख रही है और तीनों कातिल भी दिख रहे हैं तो क्या उस शख्स को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा उसकी स्टेटमेंट ली जाएगी जो वीडियो
Yes, yes. In fact, that will help us also because हम लोग the whole thing is we trying to prove is that these people were there together. So that video also in fact just helps us. So the person who recorded that we will reach out to.